Hello everyone, this is Nitol Arfat from Programmers Club. In this video, we are in a take a look at Python list. A Python list is an ordered and changeable collection of data objects. The list is the most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of comma-separated values. A list can contain a mixture of objects or a value. Basically, a list is an array. If you come from JavaScript or PHP or any other language, it formatted just like an array and has a lot of the same array method. So I am going to create a list called subject. Here I give a square bracket and I take some value as like math, CSC, say Tripoli, textile, and one more item I want to add called biology. Now basically I print the type of this list and say subject, and I am going to run this and pythonlist.py, and you can see class is list. Now I want to print this list all value of the list. So this is one of doing it and the most common way, but you can do it another way, that is years and say list. Now I want to check this type as like type and say years. Now I run it. This also type is list. Now I want to insert some value in this list as like 17, 2001 and 2005 and run it. Yes, I can see the value of this list. Now I want to get length of this list. Using len method, we can get total amount of value of this list. So I say len and say subject and print that and run that. I get 5, total 5 value in my list. Now I want to pick textile by index. So I say print subject and say my textile index ID is 0123. Say 3 and I run it. I get my accepted value textile. If I want from 0 index to 4 value, then from my 0 index math to 4 index textile. If I want to 0 to 3 value, then it's going to math, CSE and Tripoli. Now I want to replace my first value math with physics. So I say subject, my math index is 0 and I want to replace with physics. Now I print my list once again and see math is replaced with physics. If you want to add this value in new index 10, I run it, it's going to error because we cannot add a value in this way. If I need to add a new item in my list, then I use append method. I say add to list and say subject dot append physics, and I also remove that and run it one again. Physics is append at last of my list. Now I want to insert a value into a specific position. So I say insert and here I say subject and then insert. Here I say it's take two parameter. One is position and another is value. I say computer. Now I run this once again and you see that 2 number index position at computer 0, 1, 2. Now this is my new list. Now I remove a item from my list. So I say remove from list. Let's say subject dot remove, and here I say value name, which value I want to remove. I remove CSE and then run it. Now we can see CSE is gone from my list. And then if you want to remove a item from a certain position, I say remove from position subject, then say pop. Pop method is take one parameter is index name. I want to remove my one number index. So and run it. It's so computer is gone from my list. Now I want to reverse my list item from last one is going to first. Then I say reverse list subject dot reverse and print. I can see physics is going to first, then biology, then textile, and math is going to last. Now I want to sort my list as alphabetically. So I say short list, then I say subject dot short. If I print that, now we can see my list value is sorted by alphabetically. If you want to reverse the sort, then I say reverse short and subject dot short, and here I take reverse equal to true. Then I run once again. This list value dot is reversed. Now I want to extend this list into my subject list. So I can say extend list and say here subject dot extend, and in the bracket I say years. Now I also comment. Then I can see years list value extend in my subject list. If I want a specific index number according to value, then it's subject dot index and value name Tripoli index ID. I want to print that, print and run it once again. Tripoli index ID is 2. I show you one important thing is I create a new list and swap this subject, print subject and also print new list. Now I see both are same. And if I append a value in subject list, subject dot append a value like xyz, then I also run. Here I can see xyz append in subject and also xyz append in new list, but I don't want it. I need only append in subject list. So I here add copy and runs it one again. So let's see, in subject append xyz, but in my new list xyz is not append. Now I want to clear my list. Subject dot clear and print. I say now list is none. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any confusion about any topic, please inform me. Okay, bye.